This video we discuss about the how to check my website will be spam or not. So I upload a lot of content to my website. The web link will be generating spam content or not. See here, this is called flipkart.com here. Just copy this URL. The website called copyscape.com. If you check the any website spam content or not, you check by where copyscape.com. This website they give information for your website will be spam or not. So here copy this URL or that flipkart.com. Click for go. See here. Only top 10 results online shopping portals. See here. They're matching for what is that? Quincy TV. Second thing is second website and Quora. All. Same time matching by this all websites. dailymyshopping.com. They all are using with the Flipkart titles. Look here. Only top 10 results will be there. Online shopping site for mobile. Same title will match by where? These all websites. See here, I can show one more website here. niftyinterior.com. Just copy this URL. Paste. Click for copyscape.com. See here, where? Quora. Quora is a my website. Facebook page is a my Facebook page. See here, Quora. See, one more website will be homify.in. They are using with my title, same title. Not a spam content. These are all my backlinks. They found your back spam will be there is different here. Same time matched by this websites. How many results will be there? How many? 9 results. They are using with my same title. So like yellow page. See here, facebook.com/some furnitures here. See here, I can show one more website is there. Just what is that? IBM.com. Just copy this URL. How many results? 1. See. Brandedpoint.com. They're using with IBM content. My content will match for the third party website. That is called my content using for the some other website also. Same content. The matching with the IBM India. What the title will be there? IBM India. Just open this one. What is the here? We'll check. Our content will matching for third party website. We check by where? Copyscape.com. They recently removed your matching content. Look here. The page below now has no words matching this text. What is that? They're saying the page seems to have recently removed some of your matching content. They recently removed your content. IBM India. So the updating time will be taken. So they already removed the content here. What is showing here? The page seems to have recently removed some other matching content. What is showing here? The page below has no words matching for this text. What the text will be? IBM India. So we'll check here about Flipkart or any website. Suppose I can select by the any website called any static website. Seasonstream.com. Just go here. We're showing here. No results. Nobody copy my content. If we copy, they're showing for results here. See, what's showing here? Results. The showing results will be first you have to capture the website. The website will be other competitor website or promotion website. Two things are there. One is called competitor website. Second thing is promotion website. Quora, Facebook is a promotion website. No problem with this. Competitors, same like interiors, same like in digital marketing, it is a facing problem. If using canonical one, no issues are that one. First of all, if using same title, you can change your title as it is. Remove the title, you can change your own title, which is not following for the other people's. First, you check the copyscape.com. That is the backlink or that is your competitor website. So here, no such the same title will be nobody using with any websites. See here. No spam content for this website. If you spam will generated, there will be one is called competitor website. Second thing is a backlink generator website or Facebook, Quora. These are the backlink website. No problem with the Quora and Facebook. Same title. We matching for third party competitor website. There is a problem with our website. They're showing first position. We are into the second position. So clear? If you're checking any spam content, when you're checking, but what is the website called? Copyscape.com. Just take any website, check for copyscape.com, check the content and review for this website. For change your title and description. Previous one, remove the title and description, change your title and description and write on your new title and description on your website using with the Copyscape